Do you want to learn how to convert blog articles to whiteboard animation videos? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it with this tool called Instadoodle AI. There's a link in the description. You can go through it and follow along with this tutorial. This tool is on lifetime deal, so you can get it. Once you go inside instadoodle.app, you also need to get the AI Wizard add-on. Make sure to get this one as well. This allows you to convert a script to whiteboard animation videos with the help of AI. And it's not monthly payments, it's a one-time payment. Now here under projects, you'll see this plus button, press on it. Then you'll see AI Wizard, press on that, click on next. And instead of going with idea to video, we're going to go with the script to video. Enter the title and script. Now where to get the title and script? If you've got a blog article, you can take the script from there, or you can go to ChatGPT and get a script made from there as well. So for me, I'm going to go to my Blogify AI website. I've got a blog here. What this tool does is it converts your videos into a blog post with the help of AI. So I'm going to paste the link in the description for this one as well. Just going to copy this blog article. So select everything, right click, copy, go over to Instadoodle. And in script, I'm going to paste this. For title, you can type in what is the script about and then press on next. Then it's going to generate your slides with the help of AI. And that's it. Now we've got slide 1 and an image for it. So it's going to generate an AI image based on this slide 1 script. And same as this is slide 1. If you scroll down, we have got 12 slides. Let's press on next again. And you can select the art style that you want. I can create these black and white images. If you want to create colored images, you need to get the color splash add-on. Let's select caricature for the AI style. And for project style and type, we can make it presentation. You just need to press on this button. It's going to give you a drop down. You can make Instagram story, post, feed, square. We're going to go with presentation. You've got these project styles here. Select one which you like. Let's go with minimal and press on next. Now you can create AI voices for your slides, but you need the AI voices add-on for this.
Hello, I'm Delilah. With my voice, your voiceover.
You can take a listen to these AI voices by pressing on this preview button. I'm going to go with this first one and create project. Now it's currently generating our slides on bottom. You can see in the timeline. All right, our slides have been generated. You need to wait till all the slides are generated, then you can play the video. So let's play it and check it out.
So I've been playing around with the emote system in Arc Raiders and thought I'd share how to use these fun expressions with both controller and keyboard setups. It's actually pretty simple once you get the hang of it. For controller users like me, you'll need to press and hold the up D-pad button to bring up the emote wheel. While holding that, use your right stick to pick which emote you want. Like if I want to do that pointing dance, my personal favorite, I just move the right stick over to it and then let go of both buttons.
Just like you saw, it works great. If you want the full tutorial on Instadoodle AI or Blogify AI, I've made them. You can check it out at the end on the right hand side. Once you're done with it, you just need to export it. So on the top right, you'll see this export button. You first need to render your video, so you can go with this render button. And once you've rendered it, you would be able to play it and download it to your computer. And that's it. That's how to convert a blog article or any script into whiteboard animation videos using Instadoodle AI. I hope this video helped. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you can find more Instadoodle and Blogify related guides and fixes. See you there. Bye for now.